Hello and welcome to our channel, where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your online experience better. In this video, we'll be showing you how to filter only live YouTube subscription videos on your Android device. If you're a YouTube enthusiast who likes to watch live videos, filtering only live subscription videos can save you a lot of time. Follow the steps below to learn how to filter only live YouTube subscription videos on Android. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on Subscriptions from the bottom menu. This will take you to the list of all the channels you're subscribed to. Next, choose Live from the horizontal list. This will filter the subscription videos and show you only the live videos from the channels you're subscribed to. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep up with your favorite channels' live streams, but don't want to scroll through all of their videos to find them. It's worth noting that the live filter only shows videos that are currently live streaming. So, if a channel isn't currently streaming live, you won't see any videos in this section. If you want to get notifications when a channel goes live, you can also turn on notifications for that channel by tapping on the bell icon next to the channel's name. And that's it. You have now successfully filtered only live YouTube subscription videos on your Android device. This feature can help you easily find and watch live videos from your favorite channels. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.